In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom Canva frames, part 1, using Canva plus Figma. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean, reusable frame in Figma and export it properly so it's ready for your Canva workflow in the next part. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and heading to the file that contains the design you want to work with. If you already have a project prepared, great, open that. If not, you can use any existing design as a starting point. The important thing is that you're inside a Figma file where you can add and adjust a frame. Inside your file, select the Frame tool. You'll usually find it in the top toolbar, and it may be labeled with the word Frame or the letter F. When the Frame tool is active, look to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Figma lists preset frame options and sizing controls. Choose the kind of frame you prefer based on your needs. You can pick standard presets like desktop, phone, or social sizes. Or you can set a custom width and height if you're targeting a specific Canva layout. If you're designing a shape that will act like a mask, make sure the frame is the exact size and proportions you plan to use later, so everything aligns cleanly across both tools. With your frame selected and sized, arrange any layers, shapes, or guides inside it as needed. Keeping your elements neatly organized within the frame will make exporting cleaner and reduce the chance of stray edges. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export. Still with the frame selected, go to the right-hand sidebar and find the export section at the bottom. Click the plus icon to add an export setting, then choose the file type you prefer. For most Canva workflows, SVG is a great choice because it keeps edges crisp at any size and is lightweight. PNG also works well, especially if you need a transparent background. Just make sure transparency is enabled. JPG is an option for flattened artwork without transparency, but for frame-like assets, SVG or PNG is typically best. Before exporting, give your file a clear name so you can find it quickly later. Then click Export, choose the location on your computer, and save. That's it. You've created your frame in Figma and exported it in the format that will plug smoothly into your Canva process in part 2.